Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make rock candy. First, you'll need granulated sugar, water, and optional food coloring for vibrant crystals. Gather a saucepan, a stirring spoon, and a clean glass jar. We'll start by gently heating the water on the stovetop. This initial step is crucial for creating the supersaturated sugar solution that forms our delicious rock candy. To create your supersaturated solution, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water in your saucepan. Stir this mixture continuously over medium heat until every sugar crystal has completely dissolved. It's important that the solution is clear. Once dissolved, remove it from the heat and let it cool down to room temperature. This cooling step is vital for successful crystal formation.
Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this sweet video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more fun projects. And speaking of things that last, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're so good, they might even outlast your rock candy. Check the description for links to these amazing socks and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Now prepare your crystal growth medium. Tie a clean cotton string to the center of a pencil, making sure it's long enough to hang without touching the bottom or sides of your jar. Dip the string into the sugar solution and let it dry completely. This creates tiny seed crystals. Then, carefully suspend the pencil across the jar's opening, immersing the string into the cooled sugar solution. Place your jar in a quiet, undisturbed spot where it won't be jostled. Over the next 5 to 7 days, you'll observe beautiful sugar crystals slowly forming and growing on your string. Patience is key here. Once your rock candy reaches your desired size, carefully remove it from the solution. Let it air dry completely on a piece of parchment paper before enjoying your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.